The bench press is one of the most popular strength training exercises, and for good reason. It targets the upper body, particularly the chest, shoulders, and triceps. But what's really going on inside your body when you press that barbell? When you lower the bar to your chest and press it back up, you're activating several muscle groups at once. Let's break it down. First up, the chest muscles, more specifically, the pectoralis major. This is the largest muscle in your chest, and it's responsible for pushing the bar away from your body. As you press the bar up, the pectorals contract to generate the force needed to lift it. Your deltoids, or shoulder muscles, play a major supporting role. They help stabilize your arms and keep the movement controlled. The anterior deltoid, which is the front part of your shoulder, works hard during the lift. While your chest and shoulders are doing most of the work, your triceps, the muscles at the back of your upper arm, are also heavily involved. These muscles extend your elbows, allowing you to fully press the barbell up. Now, let's talk about your core. Although the bench press primarily targets the upper body, your core muscles are essential for stability. Your abs and lower back engage to keep your torso steady, helping you maintain proper form and prevent injury. Even your legs get involved, though not as much. They help stabilize your body on the bench, giving you a solid base. Some lifters use their legs more by driving through their feet, but this depends on the technique. So, when you bench press, you're engaging multiple muscle groups, and that's what makes it such an effective full-body lift. The more you practice proper form and progressively overload, the stronger you'll get. Now, it's important to remember that bench pressing is a demanding movement, so make sure to warm up properly and focus on good form to prevent injuries. The bench press isn't just about building bigger chest muscles. It's about overall strength, muscle coordination, and stability. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be on your way to maximizing your results. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. See you next time.